everyone, and welcome to today's lecture on the basic counseling process. In this session, we'll explore the three core stages of counseling: the initial stage, the middle stage, and the termination stage. Let's begin. Overview of the counseling process. Counseling generally follows a three-stage model. The initial stage is where the foundation is set. The middle stage is where the core work happens, problem exploration, and resolution. And finally, the termination stage focuses on consolidating progress and preparing the client for life after counseling. Initial stage, understanding the client. In the initial stage, we begin by understanding the client. We explore why the client came in, their personal history, current challenges, family and social relationships, and previous counseling experiences. It's important to gather this information naturally without turning the session into an interrogation. Above all, we focus on the client's strengths and positive aspects, not just their problems. Building relationship and structuring. A healthy counseling relationship is built on trust. Clients are more likely to engage when they see the counselor as competent, sincere, and trustworthy. As counselors, we listen actively, show empathy, offer acceptance, and stay genuine. We also agree on the structure, how the sessions will go, and what goals we're aiming for. This structure helps keep the counseling focused and effective. Middle stage, techniques and challenges. Now let's move to the middle stage. Here, we help the client explore their deeper thoughts and feelings. We use several key techniques. Deep empathy. We identify and reflect feelings the client hasn't fully expressed. Feedback. We share what we've observed about their thoughts, emotions, or behaviors, either to support or to correct. Confrontation. We gently point out contradictions or inconsistencies. Interpretation. We offer new perspectives to help the client better understand their situation. During this stage, some clients may feel anxious as contradictions in their lives become clearer. Resistance can show up too, like arriving late or claiming that counseling makes things worse. When this happens, we review the process, reassess the client's progress, and adjust our goals as needed. Termination stage, ending with strength. In the final stage, the termination stage, we help the client apply what they've learned to real life. We evaluate when counseling should end. Sometimes this aligns with the client's sense of completion. Other times, we may need to encourage closure, especially with dependent clients. It's essential to address emotions that come with saying goodbye. We support the client in processing feelings of separation and remind them that they can return if needed. We also work with them to apply counseling strategies to everyday challenges. Follow-up and early termination. Some clients may benefit from follow-up counseling where we check in on their progress and continue to reinforce their strengths. But what if counseling ends early? If the client chooses to leave, it might be because they feel dissatisfied or unclear about the process. If the counselor decides to end, it could be due to a lack of progress or the absence of effective methods. In either case, the ending must be handled with care, professionalism, and a focus on the client's growth and autonomy. To summarize, counseling is a structured journey. Each stage, foundation, exploration, and closure, plays a crucial role in helping clients grow and heal. Thanks for joining today's lecture, and I'll see you in the next session.